Hey, it's Suzanne Mosley with Usborne Books and More. You can find me on Facebook at Suzanne Shares Usborne Books. You can find me on YouTube at the same spot. So I wanted to show you today our brand new embroidery kits from Usborne Books and More. I am so excited about these. When I was a little girl, I did 4-H projects where we cross-stitched different things, and it was so fun. I really enjoyed that, and it's kind of become a lost art. So I'm glad that Usborne Books and More has introduced these to bring that lost art back. So this is one of our embroidery kits. This is the mermaid version. There's also flamingo, unicorn, and what's the other one? Llama. Ah, so cute. So they all come with the same things. So what I love is this book, but let me show you the contents as well. It comes with an embroidery hoop, a needle, the floss that you'll need, and then it comes with a pre-printed design on the cloth. And then this fabulous, one of the hallmarks of Usborne Books and More is that we have step-by-step instructions. So it walks them through every step of the way, from putting the fabric in the embroidery hoop to different types of stitching that you'll do. It teaches them, the grammar of, sorry, my little what if monster is trying to grab the book. It teaches them different types of stitching, and it makes a beautiful completed project. So this is fabulous for tween girls or girls that enjoy crafts, or even some boys that enjoy making things like that as well. So might even be fun for a grandmother and a granddaughter to do together. So I hope you enjoyed this video to peek inside our embroidery kits. Thanks so much, friends.